guys, what's up? It's Kaylani here. You know what's funny? Day traders on YouTube and TikTok drawing all these crazy lines on a chart telling you, this is the setup, bro. Meanwhile, they lose money every single week. They want instant gratification. They want motion. They want to feel like they're actually doing something. Meanwhile, I've been sitting on one boring trade. Today, Rappel is up 90%, 265% this month, and today I'm buying my mom a car. This isn't about Rappel. It's about why most people miss opportunities and will probably miss the next one too. Everyone says they want life-changing returns, but few behave in a way that actually creates them. They want excitement, action, and motion that feels productive. But activity isn't progress. The best investments feel boring. That's why most people can't hold them. The market doesn't pay for effort. It doesn't care how busy you are. It pays for being right. One good idea can beat hundreds of trades, but people are addicted to motion. That's exactly why they blow accounts. Less is more. Fewer well thought out trades can outperform endless activity. When I looked at Rappel, I wasn't thinking, can this make money next week? I was thinking, what is everyone missing? Outsized returns come from seeing what others don't. By the time it's obvious, the money's already been made. The best ideas start lonely. That's why today matters. It's not about the stock. It's about turning conviction into reality. And buying my mom a car feels better than any green candlestick. Think about it. Who would you help if you had patience? I bought my mom a car because I traded less, not more. I'm not saying this for credit, but every time I share a quiet stock, I always hear, that's too slow, or I'll get to it tomorrow. Exactly. By then, it's too late. The crowd waits for confirmation, and investors get paid for conviction. If you'd rather be early while everyone else is late, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on the next one. One great idea can change more than your portfolio. Sometimes it can buy your mom a car. Markets go up, markets go down. There's always an edge somewhere, and I'm gonna find it before the herd even notices. Bye!